Hi children, let us continue the lesson. See, it is the story of Sachin Tendulkar, and in last class we discussed, we learned up to page number 25. Here, grand in the future, up to here we learned, right? Their coach up to here, right? Coach was making them to, coach made them to practice batting without helmet, right? Without helmet. His coach was grinding them for future. Okay. Consequently, next paragraph. Okay. Yeah. Consequently, I was never scared of getting hurt. It was all part of being a professional sportsman. However, the ability to withstand pain didn't mean that I didn't take due precautions or that I exposed myself to injuries unnecessarily. I was once surprised to be questioned about this as a 14 years old during a match at the Venkat Stadium. See, he's saying that he was never scared. He was not caring about the injuries or hurt what he get while playing, and it does not mean that he didn't take any precautions. He was taking precautions, and but he is saying that, but he was not scared about of getting hurt. And I was once surprised to be questioned about this as a 14-year-old during a match at the Venkat Stadium. See, once he was questioned about this because he was not using helmet while batting. He questioned by someone when he was 14 years old, and he was playing in Venkat Stadium. The match involved Mumbai's Ranji Trophy probables and started early in the morning. The plan was for a pair of last bowlers to bowl at the batsman for 5 or 6 hours. Then they would be rested and a new pair would be asked to bowl with a new ball. The aim was to give the batsman practice against a fast swinging ball. See, the match involved Mumbai's Ranji Trophy probables. The sense a person that is likely to chosen for a team, and started. See, they were practice at Venkat Stadium. They were practicing at Venkat Stadium. The plan was for a pair of fast bowlers to bowl at the fastman for 5 or 6 hours. For 5 or 6 hours, in 1 hour, I think 4 balls are there. 6 balls are there. For 5 or 6 hours, coach made the bowlers to bowl to the batsman. Then they have to one pair. They will bat or bowl for 6 hours. Then they can take rest, and the next pair will come. Like this they were practicing, and the aim was to practice against, batsman had to practice against a fast swinging ball. When fast balls, when fast balls will come through the batsman, come to the batsman, no, he has to handle it, right? So the coach was giving practice for batsmen for facing the fast ball. To make things worse, a lot of grass had been left on the track. I went out to bat early in our innings and was wearing my under 15 cap. I didn't have a helmet and the cap was the only headgear I possessed. Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid when he saw me taking guard in just a cap. All senior batsmen had helmets, so how dare I, a 14-year-old, wander out without proper head protection? See, they were practicing that. Next, Sachin Tendulkar had come. He came to bat with only his under 15 cap. You can see in the picture. See, he is not wearing helmet, right? He is wearing under 15 cap. You can see in the picture in textbook. You can see clearly, right? See, he was not wearing helmet, and he was wearing only a cap. See, by seeing this, Raju Kulkarni, he was an Indian test bowler. He got extremely angry on Sachin Tendulkar. Why? Because only a 14-year-old boy, at that time he was only 14 years old, only a 14-year-old boy, how dare he is to come without a helmet to bat. He got angry on Sachin Tendulkar, right? See, next page, turn over the page. Page number 26. At first, I didn't realize why he was upset. He bowled a barrage of bouncers, though in hindsight I realized that they were intended to teach me a lesson rather than to hurt me. But I managed to stay calm enough to sway out of the way. See, he was really angry on Sachin Tendulkar, and this test bowler, what is his name? Raju Kulkarni. He came to bowl. Right. He bowled a barrage of bouncers. Means barrage in the sense you can see here in glossary. A large number of something, such as questions or comments that are directed at somebody very quickly, one after the other, often in an aggressive way. See, he bowled a barrage of bouncers in the hindsight. I realized they were intended to teach me a lesson rather than to hurt me. See, he had bowled continuously above the height of the batsman. Means who is batting? Sachin Tendulkar was batting, right? He is batting. He bowled over his head. Okay, above his head, height of the batsman's head, and he realized that he is in an angry mode. This Raju Kulkarni wanted to teach Sachin Tendulkar a lesson rather than to hurt him. Actually, he doesn't want to hurt him, but he wanted to teach him a lesson. Without helmet, how dare he is to bath, right? But but he kept quiet. He was very calm. Who? Sachin Tendulkar. I could have assuaged his anger if I had known the reason. When I finally did, I wanted to explain to him that Acharkar sir had not allowed me to wear a helmet in school cricket. I was not attempting to be brave at all. It was only later when I was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well that I finally told him the actual reason for not wearing a helmet. See, at that time he was calm. He didn't say anything, any reason for that to Raju Kulkarni. Later, see, there is a reason for that. Why he didn't wear a helmet while batting? Why? Because their coach, school time, his coach made them to play without or bat without helmet. In a previous page we have learnt here, right? Coach was making them to play them in school cricket. They were making them to play them without. Coach was making them to play them without helmet or bat them without helmet. Actually, he was granting them for future, right? After that, when he selected for Mumbai team, when Sachin Tendulkar selected in Mumbai team, later he came to know Raju Kulkarni well. At that time, he told him, Sachin Tendulkar told him that the reason why he came without helmet for batting. Why? Because his coach at school time, he made him to bat without helmet. He told him, Sachin Tendulkar told to Raju Kulkarni the real reason why he didn't wear helmet on that day. See here. It was only later when I was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well. When Sachin Tendulkar selected for Mumbai team, he came to know Raju Kulkarni very well. Finally, Sachin Tendulkar told to Raju the actual reason for not wearing the helmet. See, this story is from Autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar with Boria Majumdar. See, it is only a part from his autobiography. Okay. See, I shall send you the question answers today. 4 question answers are given. I'll send you, and tomorrow we will discuss the question answers. Okay.